Hey family, how you doing? This is Al from 360 and Photo Booth in Horton's, Harlan. I'm here with another video. This video is going to be a step-by-step video on the process of starting your 360 photo booth business. So, I'm gonna put my reading glasses on. So, here we go. Let's just jump right in. Again, we just started this, so again, I'll be doing more and more videos as we get more experiences on starting a 360 photo booth. And the first thing you need to do is you need to get your black composition book. And in this composition book, you need to jot down some ideas, do your research, jot down some ideas, questions. You got to come up with a name of your 360 booth. You got to come up with a color scheme for your business cards. I think I have a business card here too. I'll show that. So yeah, there's some things you have to jot down and jot some notes down. And here's the list of stuff that you need to do. Step one is you got to get an LLC. I mean, if you're going to do a business, you got to get an LLC. You'll hear a lot of people nowadays talking about starting your own business and doing it and getting your LLC. It's real simple. It's a fee, of course, that's involved. So you're just going to go to your state.gov website, look up business and how to start a business, and then go ahead and start up your business and get your LLC. Again, it's a cost to it, and once you get your LLC, it's going to come in a couple of days. They'll approve your name. Again, our name is 360, and so our title is Get Your 360 in On. So that's how our business cards look. So again, once we got our LLC, a couple days later, we got the Articles of Incorporation, which is we got approved. But while that was happening, I went to irs.gov, which is step 2. Go to irs.gov, go get your EIN number. Again, that's no cost. You get your EIN number, and then you're registered with your EIN number, which is a business social security number. And then once we got the LLC, we was able to go to the bank. Again, I went to one of the banks I was already dealing with and set up a business account for my 360 and photo booth. Again, I have different businesses, so I set up a separate account for all my business transactions for 360. I got 2 accounts, and the reason I got 2 accounts is because we get deposits. So I wanted to have the deposits separate from my operating. So I have an operating account and I have a deposit account. So when someone books with us, they need a deposit to secure that date. So that money goes, once we receive that money from Cash App, Zelle, Venmo. Again, I'll do a video on all electronic payments that we take. But then we'll put that money in a deposit account. That way we won't touch it. We know what deposits we have for what dates we have. And then the operating account is anything that we're paying out, or expenses and stuff like that. So once we did that, we got the bank account, then I began to set up all of my pages. My Facebook page, my Instagram page. I didn't get a TikTok. I just used my personal TikTok. Also, I had started my website. Again, I use Wix.com to start my website. But this is the most important thing that you need to do, is go to Google My Business and register with Google My Business. So once you get your articles and corporations, go to Google My Business, type it in, Google My Business, set up, register with Google My Business. It takes 5 days. They're going to send you a card in the mail, a postcard in the mail for a verification code. And once you do that, now you're registered with Google. So anytime someone search a keyword, now again, I'll have another videos on that. Somebody search a keyword, you're able to pop up if you know how to do SEO. Again, that's another video, but make sure you go to Google My Business. I talk to a lot of people, and in general, that starting business or have businesses that are not registered with Google My Business, which is probably the most important thing you can possibly do in running and starting a business. Then we did a social media page. I created a website. Again, I would use Wix. You can use, if you're not familiar with doing web design, again, I like doing that stuff. I'm not skilled with it, but I learned over time just to play with it. So I did that. got my website up and running. Got a phone number, a separate phone number, and then we was able to start. Again, these are just the steps I took. Then we was able to start to purchase the equipment. And you need with the 360, you need to determine every and again, I said this in my other video, the pros and the cons. But you need to determine how are you going to run your 360 photo booth. Okay, you have the booth. You say, okay, I want a booth. I got a booth. Am I going to use a camera, which is, and again, I did the research. You're going to do you're going to use the pro style camera, or you're going to use an iPhone. We decided to use the iPhone because we needed another phone number. So we purchased an iPhone. We already had a business account with our carrier, so we added another line. So we got an iPhone in order to use as a business line. So we got a business line with a separate number, so we can print our business cards and everything goes to a separate line. So when that phone rings, we know it's for 360 photo booth, and we know that's what it is. So we decided to use the camera. I meant the iPhone. Also, we began to do an inventory list. Again, I show my business card again. I went to Vistaprint. I do my own business cards. I set up my business cards. Got my phone number from my carrier. Went to Vistaprint. Drafted up some business cards. My wife approved them. And then we started to circulate these. Again, then we worked on a logo. We got a logo. Again, I'm sorry, that step should be up a little bit. You got to come up with a logo and an idea for how you want your business to run, and a logo. Again, if you do not have any graphic design or any creativity, you hire someone. You go to Fiverr and have someone print you up or draft you up a logo. Again, me and my wife just pretty much just started messing around with it. I came up with ideas. She came in behind me, and then added some stuff. And as you can see, we came up with our own logo. Again, we printed that out, and then we put that on all our business cards. Then we went and got T-shirts. I don't have a T-shirt here with me. We went and got T-shirts, so we look like we're uniform. If you go to our website, you'll see us in our T-shirts. We also got polo shirts as well. So there are some of the steps in order to get started in the business. And then once we started getting some calls, we got insurance. I went to Next Insurance to get insurance. It cost like $15 a month. And that's to cover general liability. Also, I'm working on getting the equipment covered as well. That's something that you can do down the road. You gotta get your equipment. You gotta get your sharing station, the iPad. We already had an iPad, so we just used the iPad that we had. TouchPix is a software that you have to get, so we ordered that. Again, the key with TouchPix, again, a lot of people on YouTube use TouchPix. Again, is a weekly subscription, a monthly subscription, or a yearly subscription. If you get the weekly subscription, which we're doing now, make sure you cancel it every week. If not, they're going to continue to charge you, renew it every week, and you'll get charged that $50 every week. So that's the key, to cancel that subscription far as dealing with TouchPix. We also got an email address. Again, that's part of the getting your information. Once you begin to set your business up, and you got your LLC, and you get your EIN number, then you'll start working on the logistics of making sure you have everything: your phone number, your email address, your website address, and all your pages. And then all your pages, you can be able to link all those pages together to your website as well as your Google My Business, so everything is synchronized and linked in together. And then that's pretty much it on how to start a 360 booth. It took us maybe 2 weeks to be fully up and running with all the information that we needed. Once we got the AutoZoom Incorporation, everything else was done pretty much online. And once we got the bank accounts, that was done in a day. And we took a couple hours just to go to the bank and do that. So it's really not a lot of footwork that you have to do like outside of your home. So again, that's why I said in my other video that it's really easy to start up. If you're computer literate, you can go online, you can get your email, your phone number, you can order your phone, order your business cards, whatever. You can do everything pretty much online. And then we started just to begin to prepare to start doing a marketing campaign. Again, I'll have another video on that. I'm just getting used to just talking about the 360, and we got a high school event coming up this weekend. I'll definitely have another video about doing a high school homecoming. So we're looking forward to that. Again, if you like the information, if you have any questions, put in the comment, and I'll definitely respond with another video, or just do it, respond via comment. Again, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and see you next time. Peace.